Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Today we'll see how to use your laptop touchpad like a pro. I will show you 5 tricks to use your touchpad like a pro. So, let's get started. Our first trick is how to scroll up and down with your touchpad. Just place the 2-finger on the touchpad and slide it upward to move the page up. Similarly, to move the page down, slide the 2-finger down. It is simple and easy without using the keyboard or mouse. So let's move on to the next, that is minimizing. Here you just have to place the 3 fingers on the touchpad and slide it down to minimize, and to get back to it again, just slide the 3 fingers up. Next is how to zoom in. Just place your 2 fingers on the touchpad and zoom it by moving the finger away from each other. Next trick is how to check your recent tabs or folders which you have open. To check, just slide the 3 fingers on right or left side and you can move to another folder or tab. Next trick is to go to the search tab. To do so, just drop the 3 fingers on the touchpad. Last trick for today is to go to the quick settings. Just drop 4 fingers on the touchpad and you are done. All this trick make you pro while handling your PC. If you like the video, then please do subscribe and comment your thoughts on this video. Thank you.